You guys, if it just came in the mail, we've got a vintage number 3 Barbie. Ooh. Look at her. So, her eyebrow's a little messed up, but we're going to repaint her and restyle her and clean her up. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like she came with her braids in her hair, and it's really tight. Looks like it's an original braid. It's really tight. So let's see if we can clean this babe up, fix her up. Okay. Let's see if we can take her off. We got some white skin, ultra white, spooky doll. Awesome. I just scrubbed her with a little yellow sponge and some Dawn dish soap. So yeah, let's see how she does. So she's in this bubble bath, and she is all cleaned up in my vintage glass vase with some holodeck, and she has this. So I got this removes it stain remover from twinpines.com. But yeah, she's just chilling with that on her eyebrow, and we've got our holodeck. Oh my god, you guys, so it was so hard to do this eyebrow. I had to do it off camera, but I just used the tip of my fingernail and basically tried to mirror the other side. I think I did pretty good. So now I'm going to use this. Okay, so now we're going to use this Mars Black just to fill in her eyeliner. Here we go. Very tiny bit. And let's see. I'm gonna do this off camera too, guys. But yeah, very little. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I know you're dying to see what other accessories she came with, and she came with these little earrings inside her head, and super sharp, like little tiny nails. And yeah, they've been rusted in there. I'm surprised she didn't get green here. And I like this little, it says Samsonite on it. So cool. Nothing's in there. What else we've got? A couple of hairs. Maybe a little hat? I don't know what that is. There's this tiny vintage shoebox. So cute. It's got this vintage 50s pattern on it. Nothing's in there, but we could maybe add some shoes. Oh my god, cute little purse with this little sunflower. Nothing's in there. And let's see. Barbie and Ken, teenage fashion model. This is cool. What's that? Oh my god, all her outfits. Garden party, after 5, mood for music. Wow. This book is so nice. So cute. Look at those. Winter holiday. Tennis, anyone? Let's dance. Sweater girl. This book is so cute, oh my god. Enchanted silken flame. So in the spotlight. I want the picnic set. Look at this drawing. Image doll. It's in that fashion. Oh my god. So back then we used to just order these. New doll. Barbie boyfriend. Oh my gosh. Like singles. Saturday date. Casual. This time. Fashion pack. I think I have that jacket. Yeah, I have this one. And I have that one. Ooh, look at that sweater. I like that sweater. I have one of these. That is so cool. Okay, y'all, so these are some of the outfits that came with Miss Vintage Barbie here. We have this pink onesie. I'm pretty sure these came with them. And Barbie barbecue. This, you saw in the last clip how many of the little accessories came with it. We also have this red outfit here. And this is really interesting. I like the little polka dots. They're kind of raised. I think this was handmade, but it's really inspiring. I love it. It's cute. I love the little vintage border here and the trim. So I put her on a Tahitian Barbie. I just like that dress a lot. It also came with this furry jacket. Very nice. This doll was well loved. It also had a Friday night date, a knitting pretty party, and a red flare dress. Let's see. It came with, I think it came with this white one. Yes. White sheath. Really cute. Ghostly white. And I think it came with one of these. So these all got cleaned and shuffled around. And from what I remember, this is what came with this doll. So yeah. I like this one a lot. I think I have one with green. This one has purple. It also came with these kind of handmade. They came out a lot cleaner after I washed them. Little flapper dress. It's really elegant looking. And then we've also got a black one here. Pretty nice little detail here. I like that vintage trim. Yeah, nice little sheath dresses. Got little dots. Size. And it also came with a couple of these. Interesting little shirt. Blue flowers. With some lining. Yeah, that could be a cute little shirt. And I don't know, it came with this little schoolgirl plaid, red plaid skirt. I like that actually. Classic. And it came with this thing. I don't know if it goes with if it's a dress or a scarf. I think it's a scarf. Yeah, I think that's everything. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye.